Yes, children, it's our exercise time. So, we are in the exercise part of lesson 13, things around us. Okay, so the first exercise, exercise A, is answer the following questions. So, the first question, can you read the first question, children? Yes, which is the first question? What are natural things? Give two examples. So you have to write about what are natural things and example. So what are natural things? Yes, you learned things that are in nature. Plants, trees are all natural things. Sun, moon, stars, etc. Isn't it? So see the answer. The things which occur in nature are called natural things. The things which occur in nature are called natural things. Full stop. For example, plants, trees, sun, moon, stars, etc. These are the examples of natural things. Okay, now coming to the second question. Can you read the second question, children? Yes, come on, read. Yes. Second question is, are all natural things living things? There are natural things in the world. You know, plants, trees, sun, moon, stars. Are they all living things? No, isn't it? There are non-living things also in that. Like natural things means plants, trees are natural things. They are living. But what about sun, moon and stars? They are natural things, but they are not living things. Yes. So the answer is no, comma, all natural things are not living things. Now the third question. Read, children, the third question. Give three main features of living things. Which are the main features of living things? In the tree, only three you have to write. Many features are there. They grow, they move, they breathe. Then they have sensitivity, isn't it? So see the main features, answer. The main features of living things are A, they grow, B, they reproduce, they produce young ones, C, they respire, they breathe. Okay, so what are natural things? Give two examples. The things which occur in nature are called natural things. Example, for example, plants, trees, sun, moon, stars, etc. That was our first question and answer. Second, are all natural things living things? No, all natural things are not living things. Third, give three main features of living things. The main features of living things are they grow, they reproduce, they respire. Okay, children? Children, so our next question, fourth question is, give two examples each of natural things which are living, non-living. Natural things are divided into living and non-living things, isn't it? You have to write two examples of living and non-living in the natural things. Okay, living things among the natural things. Plants, trees, they are all natural things only, but they are living. Like sun, moon, stars, rocks, sand, they are natural things, but they are not living. So non-living things we can write sun, moon examples. Okay. The fifth question, name 5 creatures that live in the sky. Just tell the creatures living in the sky. Any 5. You can write parrot, pigeon, vulture, crow, eagle. 5 creatures that live in the sky, isn't it? Sixth one, name 5 creatures that live in the water. Creatures that live in water, that you know. It's answer duck, fish, frog, crocodile, dolphin. The big fish you have seen are dolphin. They are the creatures that live in water. So fourth question is, give two examples each of natural things which are living and non-living. Living things in the natural things are plants, animals. Non-living things among the natural things are sun, moon. Fifth one, name 5 creatures that live in the sky. Parrot, pigeon, vulture, crow, eagle. Sixth one, name 5 creatures that live in the water. You can write duck, fish, dolphin, crocodile, frog. Okay. Yes, children. So our next question, 7th question is, name 5 wild animals and pet animals. Just name any 5 wild and pet animals. Wild animals, lion, tiger, fox, wolf and elephant. Okay, pet animals, you can write dog, cat, parrot, pigeon and rabbit. These are the 5 wild and pet animals. Now the 8th question. How are animals useful to us? Animals are useful to us in many ways, isn't it? We get eggs from animals, we get milk from animals, we get wool from animals, isn't it? Okay, answer. Animals are very useful to us. They help us in different ways. Cows and buffaloes give us milk. Hen gives us eggs. Sheep gives us wool. Dog protects us from thieves. If we have a dog at home, it will bark at strangers. So no, the thieves won't allow. They won't allow thieves to enter the house. They bark at them, isn't it? So like that, it protects our house or us. Okay. So 5 wild animals and pet animals. Name 5 wild animals and pet animals. Wild animals: lion, tiger, fox, wolf, and elephant. Pet animals: dog, cat, parrot, pigeon, and rabbit. How are animals useful to us? 8th question. Answer. Animals are very useful to us. They help us in different ways. Cows and buffaloes give us milk. Hen gives us eggs. Sheep gives us wool. Dog protects us from thieves. Children, so our next exercise B. Fill up the following blanks. In the textbook, it has written fill up the following blanks using a clue kit. So a clue kit is given in the textbook below the questions, like this clue kit. Okay, using the clue kit, you have to answer it. In clue kit, there are 5 words. You have to select the correct word and you have to fill up. Okay, so first one, an electric fan is a dash thin fan. Which thing it is? It is a non-living thing, isn't it? So, right, non-living. Yes. Now, second, the things which occur in nature are called? Yes, they are called natural things. The things occur in nature. They are natural things. Third one. What is the third question? Dash flower moves towards the sun. Which flower moves towards the sun? Yes, sunflower. So write sunflower moves towards the sun. Fourth one. Dash is a non-green plant. Actually, mushroom is a non-green plant, children. Green plants, they produce food. They make food by photosynthesis, but mushroom is a non-green plant. You cannot make their own food. It is a non-green plant, we say. So mushroom, it is a non-green plant. It's an example of a non-green plant. Okay, all other plants, green plants produce food. Mushroom do not produce food. So it is a non-green plant. Fifth one, some animals are kept by men in their houses. They are called, yes, domestic. They are called domestic. Okay, so fill in the blanks. First one, an electric fan is a non-living thing. Second, the things which occur in nature are called natural things. Third, the flower which moves towards the sun is sunflower. The non-green plant is mushroom. Fifth one, some animals are kept by men in their houses called domestic. Okay. Children, so the next exercise is exercise C. Write yes or no for the following statements. So, given are a few statements. You have to read the statements and check whether the statement given is right or wrong. If it is a right statement, you write yes over there. If it is a wrong statement, write no. Okay. Now, let's read. First one, green plants produce their own food. Is it true or false, or is it a correct statement or a false statement? Green plants produce their own food. That we all know. It is true or it is correct. So you have to write yes. Green plants produce their own food. Then second, all natural things are living things. Do all natural things are living? No, all natural things are not living things. So, the answer is no. All natural things are not living things. So, third one, living things live forever. Living things grow, they move, they grow and mature and they die also. So, they live forever means no, they die. So, living things live forever is a wrong statement. So, you have to write no. Okay. Now fourth one, all animals give birth to young ones. isn't it? All animals give birth to young ones. They reproduce. Animals reproduce. They produce babies. So all animals give birth to young ones is a correct statement. So yes. Fifth one. Animals can show the feelings. Is it true? They are living things, so they show the feelings. So the answer is yes. Children, so the first statement is green plants produce their own food. Yes. All natural things are living things. No. Living things live forever. No. All animals give birth to young ones. True. So yes, animals can show their feelings. Yes. Okay. So children, the next exercise D in the textbook, it is write the names of any 10 non-living things that you see in your surroundings. In your surroundings, from the surroundings you have to write any 10 non-living things, name of 10 non-living things, then sort them under natural and man-made things. After writing the names of 10 non-living things, you have to separate them into natural and man-made things. So tell me children, any 10 non-living things in your surroundings. You can write chair, isn't it? You can write stone, then tables or table, okay, then TV or television we can write. It's a non-living thing only, isn't it? Then sand, then rock, isn't it? Rock you can write. Then any non-living thing, 10 non-living thing. Chair, table, stone, television, sand, rock. Non-living thing you can write sun, moon, stars, isn't it? Then roads, you can find roads, isn't it? They are also non-living thing. Now we got 10 non-living things: chair, stone, table, television, sand, rock, sun, moon, stars, roads. Now tell me children, among this, which are natural things among this? Which are the natural things among this? Chair, is it a natural? No. It is man-made. So write chair here. Then what about stone? It is natural. So write stone here. Then what about table? Yes, it is a man-made. So write table here. Then television. It is also a man-made. So write here television. Then sand. It is not man-made. It is natural. So write sand here. Then rock. Yes, it's natural. So write rock here. Sun, natural. What about moon? Natural. What about stars? Yes, natural. They are natural things we find in the nature. What about road? Road is a natural thing. No, just made by man. So here write roads. Okay children, so write just 10 non-living things, name of 10 non-living things, and separate them into natural and man-made. Natural things are things that are made by, not made by man. It is there in the nature. Man-made things are made by man. You can write anything, the things that comes to your mind. You write it and you separate them into natural and man-made things. Okay. Yes children, so our next exercise is exercise E. What is that exercise? Write one word for the following. So you have to write a word for the following. So first one, things that can breathe, grow and reproduce. What they are called? Things that are breathing, that are growing or that producing young ones. They are called as, yes, they are called as living things. Living things. Okay. things that can grow, breathe and reproduce are living things. Second, things that cannot breathe, they cannot grow, they cannot eat and reproduce. They are called, yes, they are called non-living things. Non-living things. Things that cannot grow, eat and reproduce. Breathe. Cannot breathe. Okay. Third, non-living things that are made by man. Non-living things that are made by man, like chairs, tables, roads, fan, etc., television, etc. Isn't it? These things are made by man. They are non-living things also. So non-living things made by man are called, yes, man-made things. Man-made things. They are made by man. They are non-living things. The non-living things that are not made by man. There are non-living things which are not made by man. They are called, yes, like sun, moon, stars. They are called natural things. Natural things. Okay, so things that can breathe, grow and reproduce are living things. Second one, things that cannot breathe, grow, eat and reproduce are non-living things. Third, non-living things that are made by man are called man-made things. Fourth, non-living things that are not made by man are called natural things. Okay. So children, next is match the following. Exercise F, match the following. Column A, column B. Column A we have living thing, natural thing, man-made thing. And column B we have chair, stone and tree. Okay. So we have to match. So living thing. Among this, which is the living thing? Yes, tree. So you have to match with the tree. Living thing and tree. Natural thing. Which is a natural thing among this? Chair, stone, tree. Natural thing? Yeah, stone. Okay. Man-made thing is? Yes, chair. You have to match. Okay, children? Yes, this is the match the following. Living thing we can match to the tree. Natural thing we can match to the stone. Then man-made thing we can match to the chair. Okay? Children, next exercise. Exercise G, circle the odd one. So here they have given 3 words in each question. You have to circle the odd one, which is the odd one. And there is a hint given in the textbook. You have to read it and you have to circle the odd one, odd word. Okay. So first hint given is living things. So bench, child, stone. Among this living thing is what? Yes, child, isn't it? Child. Bench and stone is non-living thing. So hint we have given as living thing, so child we marked. Second, air, water, chair. Man-made thing. Hint is given as man-made thing. See the textbook, hint is man-made thing. Yes. So among this man-made thing is what? Yes, chair. So mark it. Air and water are natural things. Okay. Third one. Computer, aeroplane, mountains. So in the textbook, hint given as natural thing. So which is a natural thing among these 3? Yes. Mountains. Mountains. Isn't it? Computer, aeroplane are made by man. So mountain is a natural thing. So first one, bench, child, stone. Hint given in the textbook is living thing. So living thing is child. So circle it. Second, air, water, chair. Air, water, chair. Hint given in the textbook is man-made thing. So man-made thing among this is chair. So circle the chair. And third, computer, aeroplane, mountains. The hint given in the textbook is natural thing. So mountains is a natural thing. So circle it. Understood? Yes, children. So our last exercise, or we say project work. The project work, page number 108, project work is given. Let's see what is that. Identify different living things in this picture and write the names in given blanks. So you have to identify the living things in the picture given. See the picture given here in the textbook. See the picture given here also, children. You can see a picture. In that, many living things are there, non-living things are there. You have to identify the living things and you have to write the name of those living things in the blanks that given below the picture. Okay. So, see a picture given. Blanks are given below it. It's a picture of a park, isn't it? Which picture is given there? It's an image of a park. We can see swing, we can see seesaw, we can see a bench, we can see trees, we can see plants, small butterflies, etc. So among this, which are the living things? You have to name it. See, what about swing? No. Bench? No, they are non-living things. Trees, living things. So write trees. Then flowers are there, or plants we say, write plants. Then on the plants you can see some butterflies. So they are living things, so write butterflies. Then a small ant is there on the grass, you see? Yes. So it is a living thing, so write the name of the ant. Ant. Then you can see behind that ant a mushroom. It is a non-green plant. Non-green plant. Is it a living thing or a non-living thing? Anyway, it is a plant, so it is a living thing only. But it's a non-green plant. It cannot produce food, but it grows, isn't it? So it's a living thing. So you can write mushroom. Then you can see on the bench, see a squirrel. A squirrel we say, isn't it? S-Q-U-I-R-R-E-L, squirrel. Read the spelling and write. Think the spelling and write. S-Q-U-I-R-R-E-L, squirrel. Okay. Then you can see on the swing a bird. So is it a living thing? Yes. Then write bird. You can write. So find out the living things from the image. Then write the names of it in the blanks given. Think and write, and while writing don't make any spelling mistake. Okay, so that's about our lesson, things around us, living things and non-living things.